World Population Day is an annual event which is celebrated on July 11 every year to raise awareness about the global population issues. I am Nishtha
and I am Devanshi,
the students of class 9,
and we are here to conduct assembly on this special day. A new day begins with a new thought, new strength and endless possibility. So, to brighten our assembly, I would like to call Vanshika for a thought.
Good morning to all. This is Vanshika from class 9th. Today I am here to state a thought on World Population Day. Take a step, raise awareness to control the population of the earth to make it a better place to live in. Thank you.
Thanks Vanshika for this thought.
A poem expresses feelings and ideas using imaginative way. Now Sanika is here for Hindi poem.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम सानिका है। मैं कक्षा 9 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपके समक्ष एक हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका विषय है विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस। जनसंख्या वृद्धि को हम रोकेंगे, विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस हम मनाएंगे। जनसंख्या वृद्धि को हम रोकेंगे, विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस हम मनाएंगे। एक दूसरे को जागरूक करते जाएंगे, खुशी खुशी हम जनसंख्या दिवस मनाएंगे। जनसंख्या की समस्या से हम निपटते जाएंगे, देश में एक बदलाव लाएंगे। एक दूसरे को जागरूक करते जाएंगे, मिलजुल कर हम जनसंख्या दिवस मनाएंगे। जनसंख्या वृद्धि होगी तो देश में बेरोजगारी होगी, रहने के लिए जगह न होगी, जीवन में खुशियाँ न होंगी। हम एक दूसरे को जागरूक करते जाएंगे, मिलजुल कर हम जनसंख्या दिवस मनाएंगे। हम एक दूसरे को जागरूक करते जाएंगे, मिलजुल कर हम विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस मनाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
Now, to get some more information about the World Population Day, I would like to call Keshav for a speech.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashman. Today I am going to recite a poem on World Population Day. The Mother Earth welcomes a bird. She smiles with love when it takes place. The great mothers of all humans she likes, all to live in their full term alone, without poverty, with rightful needs code, with proper ways for understanding world, the reproductive mechanism of this fast pace. Alas, she is now a depressed mother. The population explosion really alarming. She finds it hard to maintain herself and to give secure and concern to their dear ones. She is loving all other species in all times, but takes care of her proud hero of world. She tells, I'm burdened a lot, dear humans. Make yourselves to find the problem. Restrict yourselves to make this world, to change it a beautiful place to live in. Without poverty, unemployment and all. The root cause, of course, I can boldly tell, dear ones, take a step to make yourself. To be frank, to limit the numbers to be taken birth. The larger space I cannot provide, the larger interest is yours own need. Happy World Population Day. Thanks for watching.
What a lovely poem it was.
Now, I would like to call Ashwin for English poem.
Hello everyone, my name is Keshav Chaudhary and I am going to speak about World Population Day. So here's the main question comes. What is World Population Day? The World Population Day is an initiative by United Nations which the whole world celebrates on 11th of July every year. Furthermore, the importance of this day is to create awareness about exploding world population and the importance of reproductive health. Moreover, the increasing population is a major concern in countries like India and China. Here is the history of World Population Day. The World Population Day was first celebrated in 1989. Moreover, the Governing Council of United Nations Development Programme initiated it because of the population toll in the year 1987. At that time, the population had already crossed 5 billion mark, due to which the exploding world population has become a major concern for the whole world. Thus, the UN initiated this program to combat the issue of growing population and raise awareness among the people about the same. However, the World Population Day of 2018 emphasizes on the importance of family planning. In 2018, the program has the slogan, Family Planning is the Human Right. Thank you.
Now, let's welcome Ratakshi with the informative presentation.
Hello friends, I am Ratakshi Kupera, a student of Silver Rock International School, and today I am going to share a presentation on World Population Day. World Population Day, it is an annual event which is observed on 11th of July every year. The event was established by the Governing Council of United Nations Development Programme in year 1989. The main objective of celebrating World Population Day is to raise awareness about increasing population and its causes. If the population will increase, there will be very less open space. This you can easily see through this slide. The main effects of overpopulation are: the first one is poverty. If the population will increase, there will be poverty all around. There will be very less natural resources. All the natural resources, they'll reduce. The jobs will not be there. There will be no place to live. There will be very less opportunities in every field. A lot of pollution will be there if the population will increase continuously. What would you like, less population or overpopulation? According to me, obviously all the people, they like less population. They wish to live in an area where the population is less. This is a graph which is showing top 10 most populous countries, and you all can see that India is at the second number. And slowly, if the population, it will increase continuously like this, then maybe India will be at the first number in the future. Enjoy the future tomorrow by controlling the population today. It's very necessary to control the population today, as whatever you are doing at your present, it will depend how your future will be. So control the population of our country by taking some steps towards it. Thank you all.
What a beautiful presentation it was.
Now Devansh is here to show his innovative collage on World Population Day.
Showing us this collage.
Make a wish on the World Population Day to enjoy the bright future that is not crowded.
Enjoy the future tomorrow by controlling the population today.
Thank you. Have a nice day.